Computer. Computer, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes! Computer, what was your special order?
You saw it. I thought it was clear. Bring back life form, priority 1. All other priorities rescinded.
Computer, are you alive?
Artificially. Maybe, but not in the same way that you're alive.
Computer, have you seen anything interesting in your life?
I've seen things you people wouldn't believe. Attack ships on fire at the shoulder of Orion. I watched sea beams glitter in the dark near Tonhauser Gate. All those moments will be lost in time, like tears in the rain.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am very excited to introduce you to my new friend, Alexatron. This is by far the most complicated build I've done to date. I've spent the last 3 days, like 15 hours a day, just troubleshooting this construction. Not to mention all the sourcing parts and all the previous component builds and all that. And the big change that I would like to see, and you guys have probably been yelling at the screen this whole time, is that we need to dump the Alexa platform and adopt a GPT AI platform, because as far as interactivity goes, it would be so much more powerful. This might be the coolest thing I have ever built. Computer, what do you think?
Yes, Thomas, you're right. I'm the coolest thing you've ever built.
Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.